Welcome PunjabiShorthand.com. Be ready. Start. America's Republican states keen to ban abortion or impose severe restrictions on it were the ones pleading for the reversal judgment delivered back in 1973. Full stop. Laws in some cases had been stayed by lower courts on the basis of this judgment. Full stop. The Trump administration, sporting Christian views, had ensured a packed court for the reversal. Full stop. At issue was whether American women had the constitutional right to seek abortion before viability, which had been affirmed as part of liberty and equality, including autonomy and bodily rights, and reaffirmed in Planned Parenthood 1992. Full stop. The majority, in gripped by feudal retrogression, overruled both judgments. Full stop. They have been told that they should fight their battle in the legislature. Full stop. Fundamental rights are stated generally in constitutions. Full stop. The US Constitution talks of liberty, equality, and due process, just as Article 21 of the Indian Constitution speaks of life and personal liberty, and Article 14 talks of equality with the injection of fair, just, and reasonable procedure for their deprivation. Full stop. All courts recognize that these rights have a sphere. The courts have expanded the ambit of these rights from time to time. Full stop. Justice, speaking for the majority, agrees that the Constitution does not freeze the American people's rights as of 1791 or 1868. Full stop. And that the Constitution authorizes the creation of new rights. Full stop. But he says the court cannot rewrite the Constitution to create new rights and liberties based on our moral or policy views. Full stop. While he finds the US Constitution neutral regarding abortion, speaking for the majority says liberty is a capacious term and new rights can be included only if they are deeply rooted in our history and traditions or text. Full stop. And since the text was before never understood as including the right to abortion, the majority delved into history as far back as the 30th and 18th centuries to hold that the right to abortion was not rooted in their history and hence could not be given recognition. Full stop. Justice criticized the judgment for not adopting the historical approach, though the three dissenting judges disagreed on this point. Full stop. The real divergence was on whether the constitutional approach has to be organicistic or dynamic. Full stop. Originalism implies acceptance of a construction which accords with the understanding of the framers of the Constitution, full stop. It means a static approach frozen in the past, full stop. On the other hand, a dynamic approach looks at the past but does not stop at that.